Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I've been getting a lot lately. Does Popular Direct have an app? Now, before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what Popular Direct is. Popular Direct is an online bank that offers a variety of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and CDs. They're known for their high interest rates and low fees. So, back to the question at hand, does Popular Direct have an app? The answer is yes. They have a mobile app that's available for both iOS and Android devices. The Popular Direct app is a great way to manage your finances on the go. With the app, you can check your account balances, view your recent transactions, transfer money between accounts, deposit checks, and more. The app is also very easy to use. It has a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy to find what you need. If you're a Popular Direct customer, I highly recommend downloading the app. It's a great way to stay on top of your finances. Additional tips for using the Popular Direct app. Be sure to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Take advantage of the app's features, such as mobile check deposit and account alerts. If you have any questions or problems, don't hesitate to contact Popular Direct customer service. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.